we're here in... Daddy. Wait! We're gonna dance with Tita Jenny. Come on, let's dance muna.
Kunin ka lang?
Tata. We're gonna play now. We're gonna dance first.
Malungkot yun. Ayun, nagagalit ka.
Are you sad? You're mad? Dapat kasi may bola kasi tayo dun eh. Dapat din na lang yung bola. Next time we're gonna bring the ball, ha? We're gonna bring that ball. Kasi yan, has... Yeah. Ah, you want, badminton? Yeah. Okay. Next time. Oy, sali niyo si Ellie naman. Sabi niyo tumira. Ang lakas pa ganun. Ate, pa-airda pa ko picture.
Why?
Pogi mo naman, nakapantalon ka pa.
Want to play with Tito? You want to play with
Oh
me?
my God! Look at you!
I want to play running. Want to play run?
Not playing.
Ask the girl.
He's not playing kasi.
Play with
You
me.
wanna play with me? Guys,
Go ahead, go ahead.
you ask them nga.
Handa.
Hindi, matibay yan. Chillin'! Baby, siya naman, patirahin mo. Patirahin mo si Ellie.
Ba naman? Babay ba naman?
Kit ng gusto. Kit ng pantalon.
Galit na, galit na, galit na.
So guys, we're here in South Woods. Ano area ba yung South Woods? Pinyang Laguna to, diba? Pinyang Laguna.
Baseball.
Ayun, nagpa-play na.
Baseball ah.
Go! Go, Ellie!
No, no.
Ellie, get down, oh! Shout out, Ellie! Tignan mo siya tumira, Daddy. Tignan mo siya. Nakaya mo siya. Kanina.
No!
Hey! Don't do that! Kaya mo siya tumira, nak. Tignan mo siya tumira, Daddy. Tignan mo.
Masaya na siya.
Masaya na yung bata.
Wow!
That was so close. It was scary.
Oh my! Get it? Anak, be careful ah. May bata sa likod. Here! Oh, here! Here's your toy!
The other one. What's the other one?
Nasaan dun oh? Nandun sa may kotse. Inside the car. Later na!
Pahirapan mo, marunong ka pala mag-Tagalog eh.
Mamaya! You want to get it? Okay, later. Later! Moira. Inaantok ka na, love. Inaantok na siya medyo. Si Ellie na ka. Nak, si Ellie ah. May kotse.
Nagpipigo siya, nak eh. Nagpipigo. Hoy, nagpipigo siya ba, diba?
What are you doing? Ellie! Peace bomb! Peace bomb! Peace bomb!
Pogi, no?